Angalia hapa Ferdinando Manyala kutoka Kenya, mbio za mita 100, mrushaji mkuki Anderson Peters, kuna Julius Yego kutoka Kenya, kuna Anita huyu kutoka Poland, ili jina la pili la Vradzik, nitakata ulimi hapa, Sara Mora, na Maya McCoy kutoka Liberia, ambapo anashiriki katika mbio za mita 100. Ni baadhi ya watu ambao naona katika runinga hapo, ni baadhi ya washiriki ambao wanatarajiwa kutifuka kivumbi kushiriki katika awamu ya mwaka huu ya mbio hizi za Absa Kip Keino Classic, mbio ambazo zitaandaliwa katika uwanja wa wanajeshi, uwanja wa Ulinzi Sports Complex. Ni mashindano ya kitaifa, mashindano ya siku moja, ni mashindano ambayo yanatarajiwa kungwananga kutoka saa 4 hadi saa 12, ambapo tamati itakuwa ni mbio za mita 100 upande wa wanaume. Kwa hivyo baadhi ya wale ambao wanatarajiwa kushiriki katika mbio hizo ni Ferdinand Omanyala, ambaye ni kigogo wa mbio hizo, si nchini tu bali barani Afrika. Kwa hivyo ni kikao hicho cha wanahabari, wadau wanazungumza, tueleza je, maandalizi yakoje na matarajio ya wale ambao watakuwa wanafuatilia mbio hizi, wengine nyumbani, wengine mbashara katika uwanja huo wa Ulinzi Sports Complex. Watarajie nini katika awamu ya mwaka huu? Naam, tuwasikize basi wanasemaje kuhusiana na awamu hii ya mwaka huu.
Grenada is the 2019-2022 World Javelin Champion. He won bronze in javelin at the Paris Olympics. He attended Mississippi State Uni, and you might want to ask him something about why he fancies luxury cars. Well, that's a detail he didn't think would bring out, but he loves cars. So if you want to get some extra details, you can always go in that direction. I also want to introduce you to one man, a good friend to many, a man very well known to us. He sometimes looks like a very local person. You never think that he's a man who's got accolades as well. Mr. Julius Yego. You like to call him the YouTube man. He learned javelin from YouTube, that's what he says. And he has a song dedicated to him. You know that, eh? Strangely, he says he has never met the man who sang that song. We've got to make it happen. Come on, members of from the stage, can you link this man to Calligraph Jones? Yes, they need to meet, because you never know, we might have to do another song, eh? Welcome, Julius. I tried to learn discuss from YouTube. Just to cut the long story short, the chief called me and said I have to pay for all those damages to the windows. Eh? So, I don't know how you did it, but well done. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce you to Ferdinand Omanyala, the man who broke the 150 meters African record just the other day at the Atlanta City Games. And a man who is eyeing his 3rd Kip Keino Classic crown, the African record holder at 92.72. No. Is it 92.? 9.77. He says no prediction, the real art. It's that time. Thank you very much for the correction. Ferdinand Omanyala is here, ladies and gentlemen. This is a press conference. You can...
Bila shaka unajitambulisha tu kabla ya kikao chenye kungwananga rasmi. Kwa hivyo tupumue kidogo, wakianza kuzungumza bila shaka tutarejea huko tuwasikize wanasemaje kuhusiana na awamu ya mwaka huu ya mbio za Absa Kip Keino Classic. Kwa hivyo tupumue kidogo, tutarejea baada ya muda usiokuwa mrefu. Cheze bali.
The Eldoret Technical Training Institute, together with Eldoret Teachers College, invites you for this May and September 2025 enrollment. We offer higher diploma, certificate and artisan in School of Agriculture and Animal Health, Engineering and Technology, Business and Commerce, Accountancy, Banking and Finance, Travel, Tourism and Hospitality Management, Mass Communication and Journalism, Computing Information and Studies, Social Studies Development, Medical Health and Sciences. Call us on 0725 818 644 or email eldorettechnical@gmail.com or visit our website www.eldorettti.ac.ke to register for May 2025 and September 2025 enrollment. This May, unlock a year of trusted news, in-depth analysis, and premium content from The Standard. Subscribe to the e-paper and The Standard Insider and get 20% off your yearly subscription. This is your opportunity. Access the essential news and analysis at a valuable price. Subscribe today to standardmedia.co.ke. You are what you read. Offer ends May 31st.
Inajua ni kubaba, hakuna mambo ingine ila kubaba.
Naam, kwa haraka basi tuelekee katika kikao hicho cha Absa Kip Keino Classic. Wanariadha wakina Ferdinand Manyala wanazungumza, tusikie wanasemaje kuhusiana na mbio hizo, mashindano ambayo yataandaliwa hapo kesho katika uwanja wa Ulinzi Sports Complex.
A man called Anderson Peters, 2019-2022 World Javelin Champion. He won bronze in javelin at the Paris Olympics. He is an alumnus. Now you see the difference, an alumna and alumnus. Male and female. Don't worry about those things there. Because you know Korean is an alumnus of the Iowa State University. You know that, eh? Or you have never dug that deep. Is it true, sir? Very true. Do your homework, guys. Do your homework. It's an alumnus when it's male and an alumna when it is female. Right? So Anderson Peters is an alumna of Mississippi State Uni. How many luxury cars do you have so far?
Right now, 4.
4?
Yeah.
Which ones?
BMW, Audi. I have a Toyota, a Nissan Frontier. And I have a 2024 Mazda CX-5.
2024?
Yeah.
Mazda CX-4.
CX-5.
CX-5?
Yeah, yeah.
The newest we have around here is a 7-year-old one, eh? 2024.
Fun fact, I also have a 1999 Mushibushi Lancer Evolution.
That's a classic one, yeah?
Yeah, it's
You'll have to send us a photo of that one.
It's actually a drag racing car.
Ah, nice.
Yeah, yeah.
And because of AI and all the tools we have, we can position ourselves just next to it. We look like
Yeah.
yeah. Great. And welcome to Nairobi.
Thank you.
You like it so far?
Yeah, I like it. It's my second time here, and I'm always excited to come here.
What excites you the most?
The environment, the people, the response of the crowd at the meet. It's always crazy to me to see the way they interact with all the athletes, the way they have so much knowledge of the athletes competing.
Okay. The big question, Grenada.
Yeah.
Where is it? Which Grenada?
Well, it's actually pronounced Grenada. It's located in the Caribbean. It's 30 minutes flight from Trinidad and Tobago. It's also like 45 minutes away from Barbados. So it's like almost in the bottom of the Caribbean islands.
Excellent. Now you see, it's not the Grenada, it's Spain. Eh? So you don't make the mistake. Thank you very much. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'll open this up now to the members of the Fourth Estate. All you need to do is raise your hand up. We'll bring the mic to you. Just tell us who you are and where you are, who you're representing, whether yourself or an institution. Then you ask the question. I'd like us to go systematically so that if you have questions for Manyala, we take all of them together. If you have questions for Anderson Peters, we take all of them together. So let us start with Omanyala if you wish. So if you have any question for Manyala, we can ask them now so that he answers all of them in one block.
Okay.
All right, okay. And anybody else with a question to Omanyala? Okay, so it will go behind there as well.
Hi, Adi. My name is Lynn. I'm a freelance journalist. Oh my God, I'm catching up. Just so you know, today is World Potatoes Day, so I'm serious. So I think I'm justified. It's for real, by the way. It's like today. Yeah. So my question is to Fadi. Ferdinand, you've raced at the Kip Keino Classic since inception. You are the star of the event. You're competing at home. It's always been very important for you to always come and compete at home. And I'm just wondering, going to tomorrow, which mind space are you into?
Okay, just before you answer, let's take another question behind that. Yes, so that we take them together. Any other question, please put up your hands so that we take all the questions together, please. So it will come.
Maybe a lot of questions.
So one is that, you're going to forget?
Yeah.
No, one, we'll keep them for you.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
So you take the second question.
Okay, Fadi, good to see you again. My name is Omodi from Capital FM. I have a question that maybe it's of the cause of, let me say, for lack of a better word, irrelevant. On some time back ago at a podcast, you said that you'd love to go back to rugby, and that really...
Sorry, to go back to
rugby, and that really captured my interest. Maybe you can expand on that. Is there maybe a team that you admire a lot on the local circuit and even international? And then also, secondly, last year at Kip Keino, things didn't go as well as you'd love to. How has that impacted you since then up to now? What are you looking forward to tomorrow?
Okay.
Great. We'll take a third question, then we answer that together. Yes.
Good morning, Fadi.
Morning.
Greg William, Africa. Recently, you were quoted saying you walked around the streets of Nairobi and everyone was saying these are Ferdinand.
Na mkuu tukisubiri Ferdinand Omanyala kufungua mdomo wake, na atakimbia katika mbio za mita 100. Ferdinand atakuwa na Mark Otieno pale katika mbio za mita 100 Absa Kip Keino Classic. Tuendelee mbele kwa haraka tu. Nani mwingine? Mbio za mita 800 Ferguson Rotich, Aaron Cheminingwa na Cornelius Tuwei watakuwepo katika mbio hizo. Mita 800, mbio za mita 800 Ngeno Kimgetich, Noah Kibet na Nicholas Kiplangat. Tuendelee mbele kwa haraka. Na mbio za mita 1500 Abel Kipsang, Anthony Kibet, Vincent Kiter na Reynold Cheriot watashiriki katika mbio za mita 1500. Mbio za mita 1500 tuendelea tu Justice Biegon, Matthew Kipsang na Daniel Munguti. Naam, bila shaka ni kikosi kikubwa hicho. Charles Simoto, Peter Naibei na Robert Kimutai pia watakuwepo katika mbio hizo za mita 1500 upande wa wanaume. Na sijui kama Ferdinand Omanyala ameanza kuzungumza upande wa pili. Mwelekezo wangu. Naam. Haya, tuelekee tumsikize basi Ferdinand Omanyala kwa haraka.
Couple of races including this one and the next one is just to get into that rhythm. You know, I took 7 months off from competing, so it's all about just getting into that rhythm. And last week in Rabat showed that my start is back, and now getting in together tomorrow for the Kip Keino Classic, and I'm just praying for a perfect race tomorrow.
Great. There's something about you. What is it, Mulani?
Rugby.
Rapping.
Rugby. Rugby.
Rugby.
Yeah.
There's something about you walking in the streets and everybody thinks the event is you. So again.
Yeah, I mentioned about rugby. I miss rugby. I was planning to be a superstar in rugby until athletics hugged me tightly. But yeah, of course, I'm looking at playing rugby maybe in my last years, maybe when I retire, and I still have 11 more years in athletics. So maybe when I'm 41, 42, I'll go back and play some rugby. And of course, just for the fun of it, because I still feel like there's some things that I can achieve on that field. Yeah, and of course, I've grown with Kip Keino. Basically, we are age mates in terms of professional sprinting, because it was inducted into the country in 2020, and I started running professionally in 21. And we have grown together. And most of the time, people come in to see the 100 meters because it's an exciting race. It's a 10-second race, and there's a lot of hype around 100 meters. So I'm glad that Kip Keino has grown to this level. And you know, to those listening, I mean, the guys in charge, we can host a Diamond League. I mean, I've been in different Diamond Leagues, and I see if the government can really give us Kasarani and we can feel it, we can host Diamond League.
Excellent.
Yep.
Thank you very much. So rugby 2036 is not.
Oh, there was another question about Dennis Moy. Yeah, I mean, I love.
Na kwingineko, jumla ya waendeshaji baiskeli 21 na wakwea mlima 12 wanashiriki katika msururu wa Magical Kenya Trail